starting the subway. Let's see how it goes. We're still on a pretty well-defined path, but get a little sketchy. Quite a drop. Ready to go? And we gotta go way down there and way back there.
But here I am, replaying every sound and second since you found me. All packed up.
We made our little rock scramble, and that's the sign. You don't want to miss that on the way back up. So, trail's a good bit of route finding, but as long as you got some good GPS coordinates plugged into your phone, you should be fine. Still trying to find our way up the river. It's actually gotten a little bit harder. That's subway, a little under 2 hours so far, and it's quite the hike.
I'm so tired.
It took us 2 hours 15 minutes, but we made it up to Red Falls and then last little bit to subway.
That I'll be fine without you, it's not true.
Made it.
I move but can't move on without you.
Super chilly back here. This one's huge. Look at these icicles. This whole side is ice. Just back there, there's a little waterfall, but we can't get to it because you have to swim, and it's freezing. All by ourselves again. Amazing. I want to swim in all these pools. Was it worth it? Yeah. Oh, I just slipped and fell. That was fun. Didn't know. Ow. So don't skip across rocks in the water. That's a smart idea. Alright, been hiking for about 70 minutes and we're 2.15 miles out. Yeah, buddy. Here's our exit sign. Thank you so much. Alright, now we just have to scramble up all that. It'll be fun. We're like 3 minutes into the climb up. We're both winded. I'm gonna go way up there. Almost there. Let's go. Just a little bit of a rock scramble. He's running to finish it out. Oh, it's so good to see you.